After watching hundreds of videos of Sri Premanand Maharaj and following all the spiritual gurus for 1 month, I found out so many things and I implement that and I see so many changes in my life. I see that the blockages I have in my life was removed. I see that my negativity is released from my mind and my body. I feel so satisfied. I feel so happy. I feel so calm. I feel so satisfied from inside after this thing. So this video is about Naam Jap technique. So before starting this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video so that others can find this video so soon. And they can implement this and make their life so much easier. So let's start. So according to Premanand Maharaj, if you recite name of any god you believe in, like if you believe in universe, you can recite their name. If you believe in God, you can recite their name. After reciting their name for 8 crore times, you will get what you want. You will get your desire. You will get your manifestation. You will get your dream job. You will get your dream body. You will get your dream mark. After reciting 9 crore times, you will make your life so much easier. You will see that your life is going your way. Your life is going the way you want. Everything comes in your life so easily. Everything works in your favor. And after reciting 10 crore times, you will get the blessings of God. You will get the blessings of God. You will just feel that wherever you go, God is with you. No matter how tough situation is, God is behind your back and He is solving the situation for you after reciting 10 crore times. So, like, you have this example in your family too. Like, when you go to your grandfather or grandma and ask them, why you do this Naam Jap technique? And what they will tell you that this Naam Jap technique relieves their negative karma. This Naam Jap technique relieves the thing which they did in their past, the wrong things we did there in the past, like which is unknowingly or knowingly. And this is true, but it's not deep. What Naam Jap technique will do for you. And I will tell you how to do it, the proper way to do this Naam Jap technique and implement this in your life as we go forward in the video. So make sure to watch full video and do not skip any minute of this video. Okay? So, Naam Jap technique will help you to calm your mind. Naam Jap technique will help you to release all the negativity from your body and your mind. And when you do this Naam Jap technique, you will enter on the state of no thought. And this no thought state is called quantum jump. That's a lot of manifestors, a lot of manifestation gurus tell this, that this is quantum field, this is quantum jumping. And that will done by this Naam Jap technique. This is so simple. Naam Jap technique will help you in so many ways and it'll help you, it give you a lot of things which you do not think, which you do not believe. So, if you have a field, there is a seed of healthy relationship. There is a seed of healthy body. There is a seed of dream job. There is a seed of dream partner. There is a seed of dream family. And there is a seed of getting the attention you want. There is a seed of money. You have all the seed. And when you have a good field, you can grow any seed you want in that field. It's all like that after doing the Naam Jap thing. So what you have to do? First, make sure to clear intention. Make a clear, very crystal clear intention. So, if you want to have a partner, so what you have to do, you have to be so clear how he looks, how he behave with you, how he behave with others, how much he earns, where he works, with whom he said, with whom did he talk. You have to be so clear about what you want in your relationship. And if you want to change your appearance, what you want to do. You have to be so clear. You want clear skin, or you want healthy hair, you want long hair, you want to be slim, you want to be look tall. You have to be so clear. Okay? Now, what the second thing is, you have to choose the name of universe or the God you believe in and you feel connected with. Like, you see their statue and you just feel to be surrendered. You just feel that everything is going the way you want. You have to believe. You have to be connected with the name you are going to recite. You have to be so connected. Like try so many names, like Ganesh ji, like Shiv ji, like Hanuman ji. You can decide any name, but make sure to recite name which you feel connected with. Do not just go with any name that this influencer are doing this and this influencer is doing this. Do not do this. Make sure to be connected with the name you are going to recite for straight 21 days. You have to repeat this for 21 days. And the one thing is that do not do it as a ritual or as a routine. Do it as connected to feel. When you do this, you have to feel each and every word. You have to feel the word so deeply from your heart. So make sure to do that. You have to feel the word from your heart. You do not just have to do it for the sake. You just have to feel it. And do this regularly and straight for 21 days. Third thing is that you have to surrender yourself. You have to surrender yourself to the God, to the universe you are believing. You are believing in. You have to surrender yourself that whatever is going to be in your will. Whatever is going to happen in your future is the way you want. And you will see that after doing this for straight 21 days or straight 21 days, and you will see so many changes in your life. Not like just emotionally. You will see so many positivity in your body too. The way you walk, it will change. The way you think, it will change. The way you feel, it will change. You will feel calm. You will feel satisfied. You will feel happy. Like everything will go the way you want. And you will start finding the opportunities. You will start finding the happiness in each and everything you are having in your life. You will be so calm. You will be so calm that nobody can even disrupt you. Nobody can even say anything to you. They can't do anything on you. You will become that much calm. You will become that much positive that there is no negativity in life. So make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video. I will meet you in another video. And make sure to comment what you feel after doing this technique in my comment section. I love to hear what you feel, what you see changes in your life. So let's meet in another video. Bye bye.